So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in wsreset.exe. Click on enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Now you want to go back to CMD. You want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter again. It will then start running the scan. You want to run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in services, click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And then once you do that, now you want to click on any service one time again and then click on M on your keyboard. Now you want to find Microsoft Store install service. Double click on it. Do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. You want to right click on it, and then click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then click on terminate, scroll down again, and then click on reset, and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. You want to wait for the tick to appear. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure your time zone is correct. You have set time automatically turned on. Then you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the program should be fixed.